Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am here to do some unboxing videos. I have a lot of stuff that has come in the mail that I have not opened up yet. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to upload this, but we will figure it out. So really quickly, I just opened this up, and so I didn't know who it was from because it didn't say who it was from on the outside. So I opened it up, but this looks like my packages from the Ultimate Cup, and they are going out of business. So everything literally was like 70% off. So just a few of the items I picked up, and let's get into it. I hope y'all have enough light. I of course am playing around with this lighting setup as usual. Let me see if I can fix the light. We'll see. Okay, so the first thing, I'm pushing this to the side, is I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. So the first thing I have is, oh, they put this big old box for this. Okay, so these are just little earrings that I thought were extremely cute. I just thought they were extremely cute. So I got these, and I really like how they look. In my particular job, I can't really wear a lot of jewelry, so I thought these were perfect. Yeah, so that was these. Let me see if I can find the name of them. 1 second. Of course, I have all my boxes stacked around me, and the paper fell. So the name of these items are Silver Honeycomb Stud Earrings. That's what they are called. So I got 2 pair of these, and let's see. Once again, these are the Silver Honeycomb Stud Earrings. Let me see. Okay, that was that pair. And then let's see what this is. Okay, it looks like, oh, let's see. Oh, okay, so this is a silver band for the 42 to 44 millimeter Apple Watch. I believe this is the Mia Mini in silver, I think. Let me just double check. Yep, silver Mia Mini. And so it just goes on here. So I have, you all know I have the Apple Watch 6. And I have tons of bands for the 5, and all of them, because I've always gotten like the smaller band, watch band, well, watch I should say. And so this time I wanted the big one. Now my watch is I asked for gold. It looks like it could be a little rose gold, but I definitely asked for gold. And so the box set gold, so that's what their gold looks like. But it looks like it could be a little rose gold, to be honest. So, I mean, it doesn't really go with it. But for like 15 bucks, you can't beat that. So, uh-oh. 1 second. Okay. So let's try to put it on, and so you may need some assistance putting this on. Let me see if I can just put it in my mouth real quick to take care of it. And then once you get it locked a little bit, it's really easy to just go in and you know. Okay, anyway, so this is the watch band. Looks super cute. It doesn't match, but I'm okay with it not matching. You know, silver and gold, it's all right. I think it's adorable. It's a little loose because I don't have it all the way tight. I probably will need to get my daughter to tighten it up for me a little bit later, because my wrist is very small. Even though I'm a plus size woman, I have small wrists. Let me see. 1 second. I'm trying to get the autofocus for you all. Okay. Okay. So let's leave it on for now. Actually, no. Let's take it off. And let's see if I can get it off. I may need some assistance from my daughter. Come help me take this off. Okay, so I had to get my daughter to help me get it off. So as always, you just press. I always have issues removing the bands because I have no nails right now. So since, you know, the global health crisis, I have not been to the nail shop. And I've been playing around with dip powders and whatnot. So I'm gonna put that up. So let's open this one up. Okay, so this one looks like it is the gold honeycomb, rose gold honeycomb earrings that we got. I hope y'all can see. So that's the rose gold honeycomb. I think these are cute. Uh-oh, it's a little bit of a glare. Okay. I'm just going to put them all in one so I don't have a bunch of stuff all over the place. Bring my light over a little bit so I can see a little bit more. Okay, the last box we have is another band. Oh, this is actually nice. I like this one. I like the color of it. Look at that. Now let's see if I can put it on. Let's see if I have more success this time around. If not, I may have to get my daughter to help me put it on. I have the darndest time. Okay. Let's make sure that you gotta make sure you keep these straight. That's one thing I noticed, because look, you see what just happened? It's misaligned, which is what I don't like about it. But let me see. I wish they put something different on here for this. Okay. Let's see if I can squeeze my hand in a little bit. Let me just loosen it up a little bit. Yeah, definitely it's easy to put on, but it's not easy because the little cords get jammed. And basically, once again, you squeeze it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bottom in my mouth and then pull it close. So that's this band. That's this band. Yep. I think they're cute. Anyway, so that's it for this particular unboxing. And these were from the Ultimate Cuff. And they are actually going out of business right now due to the pandemic. So everything is 70 to 80% off. And this particular band is called the Gray Addison. And this is from summer of 2018. The other band is called... Actually, Yeah, silver Mia. This is the silver Mia. And then my 2 honeycomb earrings. Thank y'all for watching. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time.